Today, I'll show you how to assign sequential palettes in Tableau, an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance data visualization clarity and impact. Whether you're working on a simple report or an intricate dashboard, using the right color palette can make a significant difference in how your data is interpreted and understood. Let's dive into the process and get your visualizations looking their best. First, you'll want to start by dragging your measure onto the color square in the marks card. This step is crucial as it links your data to the color functionality in Tableau, allowing you to visually differentiate values with ease. If you're new to Tableau, the marks card is located on the left side of your workspace, and it's your go-to tool for customizing how data appears in your visualizations. By dragging your measure here, you set the stage for applying color gradients that can highlight trends and differences in your data effectively. Once you've done that, the next step is to click on the color mark itself. This will prompt a menu to appear where you can select Edit Colors. This option is where you'll start customizing your color scheme. Clicking Edit Colors opens a dialog box where you can choose the palette that best suits your data presentation needs. It's a simple interface, but it's packed with powerful options that can transform your data visualization. Now, within the palette drop-down menu, you'll want to choose a sequential option. Sequential palettes are designed to represent data that has a meaningful order, such as ranges of numbers, and they help in showing progression through color intensity. You'll see options like blues, greens, and orange gold. Each of these palettes provides a gradient effect, where lighter shades represent lower values and darker shades signify higher values. Your choice here should align with the message you want to convey through your data. For instance, blues might be ideal for a cool, calm representation, while orange gold could be used to depict warmth or emphasis. After you've selected your desired sequential palette, it's time to finalize your changes by clicking Apply or OK. This final step applies the color changes to your visualization, bringing your data to life with a clear, aesthetically pleasing gradient. Remember, clicking Apply allows you to see how the changes affect your visualization without closing the dialog box, which is helpful if you're experimenting with different palettes. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, clicking OK will close the dialog box and save your settings. And there you have it. Assigning sequential palettes in Tableau is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the readability and appeal of your data visualizations. By carefully choosing and applying sequential color schemes, you ensure that your audience can easily interpret trends and patterns in your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your data visualization journey a little bit easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Tableau tips and tricks. Happy visualizing!